Brewvie is a coffee brewing system for a perfect coffee. Brewvie makes you can control elements of coffee brewing, as water temperature, water volume, and flow speed. You can easily control all brewing process through the touchscreen and smartphone application. Brewvie has a high-tech water boiling system. Brewvie's dual heaters boil water to target temperature in a short time and continues brew the next cup with no downtime. Brewvie is using a circulation system to maintain water temperature constantly from start to finish of brewing. There are many variables for a perfect brewing. Brewvie controls very accurately with proportional, integral, derivative control. So, your coffee will never over or underbrew. With Brewvie, you can make the perfect coffee consistently.